Thank you for the introductions. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining me in this session, Direction Live 2020. In this presentation, I will take you through and introduce a new release product from us called ArcGIS LocateXT. ArcGIS LocateXT allow you to discover and extract geocoordinate, place name, and other critical information from unstructured text and place them instantly on a map. ArcGIS LocateXT is an extension for ArcGIS Pro and ArcGIS Enterprise. It is running on Clearterra engines. You can discover and extract geocoordinate, user-defined place name, image geotext, dates, and other critical information from unstructured data. LocateXT identifies and extracts thousands of variations of geocoordinate from DD, DM, DMS, UTM, and MGRS. You could also costume location lists, so I could put a name of a town and find that in the document, and also I could scraping document, for instance, perhaps the report start, stop, or break, and be able to find information in there and extract the information and present, visualize to me. LocateXT include geoprocessing toolbox with used in model builder and automated workflow. You can automatically extract data to geo-based features class, feature service, shapefile, and KML. We know that ArcGIS consume many types of data listed in here. Unstructured data has been very popular, such as information from Messenger, report, briefing, and even social media. However, access and integrating unstructured data has many unique challenges, especially in extracting the data and use it in meaningful way and to make informed decisions. This is an example of unstructured data, which is most from Twitter, text messenger, Wikipedia, email, Google, Facebook, and Microsoft Office. Common document from Microsoft Office document is like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others is like Adobe PDF, XML, HTML, text file, and more. Contain huge amount of information that would take a lot of time for us to read through and extract relevant location informations. Having an automated and right extraction tool is important because of increasing volume of data in digital world. Every minute of unstructured and semi-structured data has generated at this moment. ArcGIS LocateXT has very useful features and capability to help us to extract the information into GIS platform, which we can visualize the data into meaningful information and for us to decide immediately. This is not a traditional format that we used to. We usually visualize, capture some location element in this file, whether it is in with place name, coordinate, and etc. But it will be time consumed to extract this data and convert it into structured format to bring into our map display. But not only there in the Word document, but also can be found semi-structured data in Excel file. And we know that a lot of database capture in Excel, users really try to bring all the coordinate and they use like variance way, like lat long, degree, minute, second, and MGRS, or they call is military grid reference system. And for all source analysis, they spend a lot of time trying to go through this process, like to pass the data and bring that data and make it partially visible. Let's have a look at the LocateXT tools now. I will be showing 6 different types of data format that contain unstructured and semi-structured informations. The purpose of this is to show how easy LocateXT is able to extract the location information out to a map display. For the start, here a sample of unstructured data look like from Esri website. This is data described about Alaska earthquake in summary. It would be difficult to visualize the location of the contents. Let me transform this tag into something that we can visualize on the map, and this will help us more understand. What you need to do and extract the relevant informations. First, we will rename first, and then we'll be tapped into the text message. And we copying all the text into the text extract panel. There you go. This makes our life easy, right? And this is all the information that have been extracted. All right. We're still in the text format demo. Another sample demo is on the semi-structured text data. Example from text input I have created, where this commonly can be seen in our daily work life. That is name, address, date, destination, and some detailed info. Let's clear this up first. And then we rename it. And let's copy and paste this tag information into LocateXT and extract the relevant information. It will be display a map coordinate with all the info that we paste just now. Yes, so this is the info that we have captured just now. Okay, let's try with Word file document now. Oh, let me open the file first. This is an example Word file content list of mountain in Malaysia, which we have around 94 total of mountains. But the problem is not properly organized and very hard for us to read the content. Let me show you how we extract this information and geocode on the map, which we'll be happy to see it. Okay, let's close it. And let me clear up first all the detailing here and rename it. All right, let me rename it first. By dragging this Word file into extract location, then we extract it. And the result is much more easy to read, and we can view the detail of the mountains. There you go. So this is the sample data that I have put inside it. Okay, let's do another sample using the Excel file. Let me open the folder. Okay, this is an example Excel file content of list of shipwreck in Malaysia, which we can have an info on the ship name, sanctions date, detail notes, and the coordinate. You imagine if the Excel format is more than 100 rows of data info, I'm sure it's difficult for us to scroll down until the bottom info. Therefore, we need to use LocateXT extension to do the task and plot it into the map, which is much more simpler and easy. Let me clear first and rename it. Okay, once we rename it, we just drag the Excel file into the extract location. Let's go. So it's been plotted in the map already with the info that we have put the Excel right now. Okay, now we move into another sample data demo, which is PowerPoint file. Okay, let's open the folder. In this file, there are a list of PowerPoint slides contain the detail about the airport in Malaysia. It is a bit tedious, right? You need to open one by one this PowerPoint slide file. By this, LocateXT able to help you arrange such a visualized format with the content info available. Let me demo you how this happens easily by dragging this PowerPoint file into the extract location. Okay, first, let me clear it first, and I rename it. Once I rename it, then I just drag the whole folder of PowerPoint just now into the extract file areas. Then I extract it. There you go. All the information appear in this map with the information available. So do you think it's easy, right? And all the detailed info inside the PowerPoint slide has been captured in here. Let's go to the next demo, which is from the HTML content info. This is the website that shows the location about the place visited by positive COVID-19 patients. By using LocateXT, you will be able to see the concentration of the locations. You are able to do that by copying all the content into the LocateXT. Let me clear this and rename it first. And let me drag all the file into the tab. So it automatically will appear with the detailed info affected area. Okay. Let's go into the last demo, which is a PDF file. This is the info that right now, just now. In this PDF publication report from National Geospatial Intelligence Agency about selling direction route, which contain around 200 pages, and which is size of the file is 3 MB. Can you imagine that you need to read this to know the informations? Using LocateXT to screen through the document and perform the extraction tasks and visualizing it on the map. You can save time and make timely decisions with these informations. Okay, let's stop it. Close it. Let me clear first all the have been done just now. I rename it. Okay. Rename it. And you just drag all the PDF file publication just now into the extraction locations. And then you extract it. Yes. It takes a while because the data is a bit, size is a bit big. Okay, there you go. So this is the sample that are on the publication just now, which you can open and see all the detail inside the publication document info have been put in here. Okay, that is the end of my demo. Let's go back into the slide presentations. The integration of LocateXT provides unique opportunity to enhance this capability across ArcGIS. This extension, which is now available for both ArcGIS Pro and ArcGIS Enterprise, make it seamless to transform textual data with hidden geography into geospatial features on a map for analysis and intelligent findings. Coming up next, LocateXT be able to make high-speed search or extractions, detailed information on the general information like street address, date, time, telephone number, and not limited to technical information like IP address and many more listed in here. In the roadmap plan, LocateXT able to do search extraction of document management, document system monitoring, email, web crawler, and enterprise alerting. You will be seeing more of LocateXT integration with natural language processing, or NLP, and ArcGIS Earth on the future. In here, I would like to share some of the useful link about ArcGIS LocateXT extension. I believe this will change the way we work and perform data extraction on the massive incoming unstructured data and informations. With this, I would like to move into the Q&A session, and thank you for that.